This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 13th day of September. I'm James Spann. Nice, calm weather continues, and maybe the big news, a big cool down coming up for the latter half of next week. Let's get there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, coming from Trussville, Alabama. A partly sunny sky there. Temperatures are mostly in the low and mid-80s. A little cloudyish over at Chehaw State Park. That's the view coming from the restaurant atop Alabama's highest mountain south of Anniston. Always a beautiful place to be. And look at the old muddy water of the Tombigbee River as seen from our Skycam at the Demopolis Civic Center in North Marengo County. Nice trough over the upper Midwest, helping to support a cold front up in that region. But again, that's not going to play much of a role in our weather. In fact, you can see hardly any showers in advance of that through Missouri and Illinois this afternoon. But boy, it's nice and cool behind that front. Temperatures up there are in the 60s from around Amarillo, Texas, up to about Green Bay, Wisconsin. But you cross the front, we've got low and mid-80s around here. Some spots in the upper 70s. And again, the numbers today below the statistical guidance offered by computer models. Those Moss products have been way too warm, really, for the last 5 months. Hey, I like that full disc satellite view. That's gorgeous. Kind of the big picture, if you will. And we've got the tropical system you see out there in the Atlantic, which is Nadine. You can see the cold front there across the middle of North America. Also had a volcanic eruption today down in Guatemala. Of course, you won't be able to see that. This is not a visible satellite shot, but I'd imagine it's going to show up on the really high-resolution viz images in the next 15 to 30 minutes or so. There's the rain for the next 5 days. Numbers are coming up. This is the rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts of maybe 1 to 2 inches around here with even heavier totals down south. This is showing 3.5 inches near Pensacola. And the bulk of that will be early next week. We might see a shower Sunday, but it looks like the better chance will hold off until Monday. And there's our system in the Atlantic. That's Nadine, almost a hurricane. Top winds are 70 miles an hour. Should become a hurricane at any moment, but it's going to recurve and ultimately wind up going back the other way, back east, so no threat to the United States. Let's check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, troughing way north of here, and down below that, that front kind of hangs up north and west of the state. And overall, the weather just probably will not change a lot tomorrow. The weather, much like today, partly to mostly sunny. Highs will likely stay in the mid-80s. Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, should be a bright, sunny day. The models are trying to show upper 80s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 88, but, they've been way too warm, and we're not going there. I'd say 84, 85 is more like it. Whatever, no rain for college football games in state, although, again, for that Alabama game up at Fayetteville, Arkansas, there could be some rain on Saturday afternoon. Go to Sunday, moisture starts to increase. That feature that's been over Texas is getting closer, but I get the idea that during the day Sunday, it's just not going to rain that much. There might be a shower somewhere, but probably no big deal. And then we'll go to Tuesday or Monday of next week, and you can see the rain becomes relatively widespread with that feature. So that might be some beneficial rain. We'll struggle to reach 80 with the clouds and rain. And again, the QPF numbers are coming up, suggesting rain amounts of maybe over 1 inch in spots. Oh, yes, cool fans. Look at that Tuesday map. This, again, is at 500 millibars. Big old full latitude trough up and down the mighty Mississippi. And here comes the cold front pushing in here. So Tuesday will maintain a pretty good chance of showers, maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe weather. And then Wednesday, we're in the cool, refreshing air. Ah, yes. There's a look at the nice colored map. This is Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. local time. And you can see those nice shades of blue pushing in here. Those are temperatures well down in the 50s for early Wednesday. The GFS is showing 55. We might make a run at 40s early Wednesday morning, but I think Thursday morning would be the one where we hit the 40s if we do. There's a look at the graph coming off the models, and you can see down there Thursday morning the GFS has us in the 40s here, down to about 46, 47 degrees, and that will feel good. Love it. During the day, Thursday, just gorgeous. Sunny, low humidity, highs in the 70s, and that looks great. All right, let's check the end of the forecast. Hey, another big trough. This is September 29th, and if that's right, another surge of refreshing air. And I just get the idea. It's safe to say now the 90s are out of here. Next time we see a high in the 90s, next summer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.